Yeah man, check in back people, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, I say big up Father God again for another successful week again this week. Yeah man, so we have to say big up to the great staff behind the camera. And we have big up the sponsor to the meal. Yeah man, big up Bless Back Jam Down Mission. We present this week meal. Yeah man, so we are get prepared to the people. How we are going to do to the people, we are going to do some stew peas, some homestyle chicken with some plain rice. Yeah man, that's what we are going to match up today. Yeah man, and we are say big up to Miss Emma, family and friends for the 2 barrel I will pick up last night people. As you can see people, me there still, you know, I'm tired but still have to. Because we later now, to 12 now, you know. Because we wake up later now, so you don't know people, we still have to go out there and do this for the people. Yeah man, because last night, I left yesterday from 2 6 and I reached back here 11 o'clock last night. You don't know me have to juggle, keep up the things that I'm up on top, you know. So, you know, so I'm extra tired of that. Yeah, so that's a big up again, Miss Emma, family and friend for the barrel, for the 2 barrel them. Yeah man, and we have to say big up to Follow Fashion TV. Yeah man, people want to check out them channel people. I'm going to put up them, some want to check out them channel, give them some support people. See if you can get them to the 1K subscriber and continue. Yeah man, people want them because I've been telling them so them inspired by the work we are doing and start a channel now. Yeah man, people. So I want to just do that people. Yeah man, we are getting lighter now people. Start to soon check in and know yet people. So what we are going to do now people. We are getting light now. So we want them to just like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend. So we're out here. So we're going ahead. Get the peas washed off. So quick, you go and clean up your scallion on time then. So I get the garlic clean up for now. People, so I get the garlic clean up enough. I don't know around it them, you know. The peas are not take long to boil them. The queen peas ready. Check in guys, so right now yeah. Get down the peas. You say cool are mad enough, so let's see if they're mad for sure. And get down the chicken pot same time too. Now get down the chicken pot. Get it washed out, you know. Home style pot this, you know. So we have the home style chicken in there. Season up, and this chicken season up from Thursday. You know, so normal something like that. From Thursday, season up. Well marinate. The well marinate pika. Chicken, man. The aroma, man. The aroma. chicken. Man, that is it, people. Come on, chicken, people. So I go ahead now. Start making the chicken. Okay.
Chicken. Not so much. Oh, not so much. Not so much sun. Declare heavy.
That is it. Big scale of the kind of so I go. Only for pigs. You know.
This is the second set. Guys, the fire move fast, so we have to just know so we take them out. Right time.
Then I want to try this. That is it, people. Now, so the last try this. Same time. Pig still I go and boil up in a pot there. And so we have the peas over here. So just stay tuned, guys, and watch our ground. Checking people, so I go ahead now. Get to the pig steer. That is it, I'm going to go and boil. You see, I make a pig steer go and boil a little peas. So it's a catch color. See white? Catch a peas color. When you get your chicken put the same way, you catch a color too. Before we get to the coconut milk. That is it. So just stay tuned, guys, and watch our go.
So, onion. Stay tuned till we flip on the last seasoning.
Sweet pepper now.
I'm going to have to bleach this one quick. I'll bleach it.
Mm-hmm.
Well done now.
That's some powder.
Rice, wash rice away, not this thing. Sure.
Second wash, guys.
Checking people, so I'm going on people. I'll get on the pot. See how pot look there?
Well, beautiful.
That is it, people.
Some coconut rice in the morning now. So just stay tuned, guys, and watch out going. And chicken, guys, so you get in the chicken foot them and all.
Go on, then go catch color. Then go catch color. Let them go catch color. catch color now, chicken.
Well, beautiful, you know. So, you know, say chicken foot, them are going to catch them color now. So, they get the pot seasoned up right here. Chicken, guys, so you can see what I'm going. Season them well, cut up nice, you know. So, we have a piece of time there, so. Time now for cut. Just the garlic, them alone. Guys, I'm going to push just a follow back a bit, so. That is it, man. So just go and stay tuned, guys, and watch how I go on. Soon get on all the pasta pot too, you know. So just go and lock in. Same time we up outside the soup is.
See chicken foot them. For chicken foot that catch color. Look on the pig steak them they show now white. So I go on. That's how it is.
Make it go and catch color. So just go and stay tuned, guys, and watch how I go on.
Slap your mama in a pot there. You say it's hot, you know, but you know, see that yet. And look at with onion powder. Spice them up in a piece. You can go and cook. Look at with Maggi at purpose. With the Maggi at purpose. And chicken on. That is it. Now we have some garlic powder to add it now. Come on, check in people, so I'm right now. Add in the coconut milk. Rich! Man, that is it. See the rice, I'm going to come up one way now. Cooking good. And this is for the chicken. So we get in the chicken now. So just go and stay tuned. You go ahead. Look on with sauce, you know. So I go ahead and get in the chicken, you know. As you can see, I go on. Home style settings. That is it, guys. So I'm going to go and cook up here now. So we are throwing one broad bean now with stew, you know. Butter bean. Look at it, man. Tell you what happened.
Yes, so you turn it on to the bowl.
You want? Like you want one next one, I'm going to throw one next thing in there.
You copy?
Yeah, I go filter now. People, so we're going to go ahead and take off the chicken pot. So I go on. Look at it. And that is it, people. So we'll get with spinners in our stew peas now. You know, flour, the rice done. And the pasta, you know. And also for this cook. And then I'll season for the stew peas pot now, you know, so they cook down one way. You know what time is it?
Sharing time.
You know, so sharing time. Get these spinners, man. Yeah, so stew peas without the spinners is no stew peas.
Some people cook stew peas and no pigs, you know, in a year, just the chicken foot on the neck alone.
Yeah.
They say expensive.
You know, say pig here, eat one book, anything in a salt.
Yeah.
Right now, if you have to call the scoop is right now, throw salt mackerel in there. Gone a road.
Gone, yeah.
Once the salt go in.
That's all.
Now stay tuned, guys, and watch.
Come on, check in people, so I go on, you know. So the team is season, you know. So I tell them, say, season up time. You know, watch it down for them, because you saw I go on. I boil the pot, I boil. So I season up, you know. Get some spice up on our way. And get away. Now we garlic powder. Clean with onion powder. And this are the stop your mama, you know? Spice him up on our way.
Well, nice in there.
And get to natural season. Same time, I'm telling you, people, I done the pot, done enough.
That's the pasta you have to make and it done.
Done the pot, done. Look at it, man. Done the pot, done. You natural season in him now, you know, so you know, so not normal now. That is it, man. Come on, man.
All beautiful.
Look at the stew piece, people.
People booming.
Look at it. We are getting off now, people. Kind of ready to, you know. Everything ready, you know. So you don't know a shearing time. That is it, man. Then shear out, you know. So I go on. And so I go on. Home style chicken with broad bean. We get that style of job what?
And we fancy pasta.
Yeah. What is that? Last week I what?
A boar pasta today our.
Red boar. Yeah. King turn up road people. This now? Put them on the table side. Yeah, we'll put them on the table side. Now mix them up.
Keep the right shape down. Check it, guys. So the last food is.
Afternoon, Miss Sexy.
Yes,
How are you?
let me have me put them strength in there.
Yeah.
So can't even get one house, she go live like a people take me now, you know, I mean, I know where me might go come in.
And what you saying to me?
What you mean?
Why Miss Sexy your words?
Una put up Taranat and Taranat where this compound were a tube. And me when I live now, una not put me up. Me can't look man again because I'm a spore shop. She don't chat me too. I will kind of food.
You have stew peas, I have chicken.
Chicken and stew peas.
That's what this is all of my mouth. Am I? No, you fuck like anti-fated rat. You know, so don't have my man, I'm going to say, no, the right hand, these are the chicken neck. I don't know, you know, see it.
Oh, all right. So we are on the blessing today. So which one of them you want? Stew
I
peas?
don't know, you give me me to eat me.
So I'm going to bless her with a
You know what I do speak, you man, I'm you get not water.
Let me try water.
Sis.
Water.
Ain't call it.
Me not a thing.
You come out and
Me have the baby soul woman from the running the room. Me not
Yeah.
buck nor buck brother.
So bless up yourself, Miss Sexy, stay blessed and healthy.
They give me one change in a man, no?
You don't have no change for Miss Sexy.
You know, no change me, I beg you one, because me not buy nothing for you, you give me change, then you not for behave, so.
You don't have no change.
How you tell people?
But then
say?
I'm not change, can't give Miss Sexy. Yeah, come bless Miss Sexy.
Me not smoke again, me not drink rum again. What?
Well, under Miss Sexy.
Me can lay down straight again.
To you here.
Give thanks, man. Bless me the tie that by no heart are in Christian love. Where you say no?
Bless him. So bless up yourself here, stay healthy and strong.
I want one house. Me want one dog house. Me should be made easy. Because. What you mean? You think people place a fear and some of them talk? Listen to me. Me stay bad, you know. Although me not live nowhere.
Alright, Miss Sexy. Bless
Me
up
want
yourself.
one little room. Let me pay for.
Alright, bless up yourself. You never know what's in the making, here.
I'm alright.
So many times I can't find a wife.
You not around.
You're not around.
Yeah.
You go out sometimes?
Yeah.
So you enjoy yourself?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Bless up yourself, stay healthy
Yeah.
and strong. You hear?
Yeah.
Blessings.
From Policeman.
I'm going to tell you, actually.
Yeah.
Something
1 month now.
Wow. Sorry to hear that. So why not? You say your foot now treat
Yeah, man, we got out of hospital.
Yeah. But we'll find some we could find them.
That's the one.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, things are going to change.
Yeah. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
So we are here today on the blessings of Sister Jamil.
Yes, sis.
Welcome. Bless up yourself,
Yes,
stay
sis,
healthy
thanks.
and strong and hold on to faith.
Yeah.
Bless you.
All right, bye-bye.
Alright.
Okay, that's all.
When them see me coming in this round, check my
Bitsy. You're so good. You're good today? Yeah. Okay, so we are here today on the blessing. Yeah. So I'm going to bless you with a meal. Here you go. You're welcome. Alright. So bless up yourself and stay healthy and strong. Blessings. Alright. You got that? Hello? 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 Anyone inside? Yeah, man. Right, that is true. So how are you? Right, yeah, just sit that down. Right, so we are here tonight. Right, so I'm going to bless every time here. You're welcome. God bless you too. Yeah, man, you're welcome. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Alright. So bless yourself and make your blessing continuous.
Uncle, no wanna lock up?
Uncle.
Yes, ma'am.
Uncle.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Allah, you lock it me out already?
Just on bed and come in now.
Allah, I see you're fresh and ready for go bed.
Just in the choir.
Well, don't worry yourself for dinner time now.
Just not even a minute, you know.
Not even a minute. I saw you go. When God are working, work, yeah.
Yeah,
uncle.
man. They work fit too.
Yes. So we are here today on the blessing. So I'm
Mr.
going to
Joshua.
bless you with a meal. Yeah, just come.
Jackie?
Mr. Joshua ends out on the ends.
Yeah.
Mr. Joshua, here you go. Afternoon.
Yes, give a thanks
You're welcome.
Just.
and respect on here.
You say your juice and your water.
Yeah.
So while you eat, you can just
You see
drink
the
and
juice?
Thanks.
very and refreshing.
Right, thanks.
So bless upon yourself, see you healthy and strong, and more blessing continuously come in. Alright? Blessing, you're welcome.
We're going to check in.
Yeah, we're there, man.
We are the blessing, so
You're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. I wanna understand. You know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you.
We'll see you next week, you man.
we are okay now. Yes, we just a pass on the blessing as usual. Yes, so we can't keep you now, we have to let you go. You come to the church. Today Friday.
Friday, man. Yesterday or Thursday.
goes like.
May your blessing continue shining. Yeah. She's listening. Okay, Okay. So bless up yourself, Miss Freddy. Continue. Alright, thank you. Good afternoon.
That's what you told me last year.
So we are going to start the blessing.
I can't listen to him, I don't care about it.
Oh, J-Bud.
Alright, Jay. Thank you. Bless up all in
Listen.
I'm trying to put up that we
Yeah, man, listen. Alright.
Big up the best.
So, Mr. One Son,
Good afternoon.
how are you?
So you send the man come first and you come first.
When I say ladies before gentlemen,
Yeah, but
or
you say the man
gentleman
come
before
first.
lady.
But you say the man. You say the man come first now.
So you come on. Can't go either way.
So what about it?
Good day upon the blessing. Right. So how you feeling otherwise?
Thanks to life, you know.
Not a true.
Yeah, that idea is first part that you have to take. Thanks to
Right.
life. You could have come and see me none at all.
But with God's greatest strength, you're here.
Grace and mercy is still there.
That's not true. So we are here today on the blessing.
And the blessing.
Yes.
So when you come greet me so far,
Oh,
the man there.
how you come concrete just so far?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, no, we at the same time, man. So me never know say,
You never know what's on him, though.
no, cause one of them pass our dear.
Yeah.
I'm say man.
I'm saying one man.
That's what you say.
What did he say?
And that's why I catch me.
That's why I catch you.
Yeah, cause me then I look for you.
Right.
You know, me then I look who no come so quick, but he come sudden for me now say, wait.
Yeah.
Oh my little friend there. Oh my little friend there, they alright.
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
We hear around today, when they're Elena and Isimit and
Okay.
many more, you know?
Yeah. All right. So you're here to bless it. You want and you choose.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
There you go. So bless up yourself. This is your juice. This is your water. Bless up yourself. Stay healthy and strong.
Yeah, man.
May your blessing continuously.
Okay, and
Amen.
thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, man. And
Alright,
you look
bless
at the one to me, yeah?
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
Afternoon.
How are you? Tired of it on the order?
Yeah, we're on about there.
Or do some order?
Yeah, come here. Try to kind of look up at like what you come so sweat there.
Right. So
Still
we are,
put it on.
okay.
Yeah.
So we are here on the blessing today.
Alright,
So I'm going
alright.
to bless out a meal.
Yeah. Thanks and thanks again.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Here's the juice in your water.
Yeah.
Bless up yourself again.
Alright,
Stay
alright.
healthy and strong.
Yeah.
Let the blessing come in.
Alright.
Blessing.
And thanks again.
You're welcome.
Alright.
Blessing.
Yeah. And thanks again.
Blessing.
Yeah.
What you doing? Okay, so we are here today on the blessing. So I'm going to bless it a meal. Here you go. So bless up on yourself and stay healthy and strong. May your blessing continuously come in. Blessing. You're welcome. How are you? Okay, so we are here today on the blessing. So I'm here to bless you with a meal. yourself and stay blessed. May your blessing continuously come in. So bless you.
Remember me not to get from the work.
You want work?
Yeah, I want to work.
Oh, you want me to look at work for you left off on the street? Alright, me think about that, you hear? Alright, yeah. How are you doing?
Hey, you, don't you worry about a thing. Oh no, every day is just a brand new start. Just follow your heart. So many dreams are waiting for you. Sing, hey, it's okay. Tomorrow's gonna be a new day. It's okay. So live your life, live your way. Your way, your way. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, live your life. Gotta live it your way. Hey, you. I know sometimes things may seem unclear. Trust yourself and you will